Hello, if you are watching this particular video and you actually did this particular airdrop called CTC Plus, I tell you, you just need to watch this particular video before October 1st. Yes, and you can see now that the value price of this particular 100 CTC token that was given is valued at $186 dollars. So if we come to this particular homepage of it, yeah, and you see that my wallet has actually been connected, and you could see that the end of the airdrop has actually ended. So we are in the phase of they calculating what we actually got. So let me take you back to their Telegram channel to what was written. Look at it now. Let's read together now. It says CTC Plus airdrop final update. The CTC airdrop is now closed. Congratulations to everyone who participated and made the most of this opportunity. We are currently finalizing the calculation for all participants. The distribution will take place on October 1st, which is tomorrow, which is even an independent day for us. We who are Nigerians, 2025 at 8:00 UTC. So thank you for being part of the CTC Plus community. You are all amazing. Together we will reach the next level. I think this is actually a beautiful information for every one of us because we are anticipating the airdrop. So let me tell you what I believe that we should quickly do. If I come to my invite here, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell notification. So that, and if you want to join my WhatsApp community for always show update about anything that has to do with cryptocurrency, I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of the particular video. You can see now I have 36 referrals, 23 of KYC. So the group KYC 62, team group KYC 30. So all that, but this is what I want to show you now, which you have to claim if you are actually doing this referral stuff. So you tap on this particular place, say called reward. You tap on it. This is it now. You can see now it says level 1. I think those level 1 means those that actually use my direct link. You could see total referral 36, verify 23, and this one is saying maximum airdrop reward 23. You could see here, say total claim reward is 0 CTC. So if I tap on this check, you see it says sorry, transaction not found. So what you have to do, if you actually did the referral aspect, you can see here, say total, it says 17, verified user 13 out of 17. That means about 4 of them did not do. I have 39 CTC plus token to claim here. So let me tap on claim here. It's loading. I will allow it to load. This one will actually cost you some transaction, so which I'm willing to take. So I will have to approve it. It actually called me 0.19, which is almost $0.2. So this is all. Oh, sorry. Let me tap on it. Let it take me back to that place. It says Irish. Proceed anyway. Yes, I know what I'm doing. Then I'll have to tap on approved. Let me enter my PIN. I've actually entered my PIN. It says redirecting after 10 seconds for blockchain confirmation. I think after I've done this, I believe that, okay, the transaction has actually gone. I believe it has been. It says please wait for 46 seconds to check transaction. Yes, I believe now that it has actually gone. So it has gone. I don't need to take out the transaction again. I don't need to take it out again. So I think I can tap on check. It says please wait for 24 seconds to check transaction, 60 seconds to check transaction. Let me still wait. I'm still waiting. Let me still wait and see what will actually happen. I believe that thing I just showed us is a way by which you'll be able to claim your referral bonus into your wallet. It say thank you for your airdrop claim. I think I've claimed it now. Yes, you can see now it say total claim reward. You can see now that what shows is 0 the last time has actually turned to 39 now. So I think let me go back now. Let me come to this my wallet section now. Let me come to this aspect of wallet. You can see that it has actually skyrocketed from 180 something to 270, 257, which I'm currently in now. You can see now that my reward is now 139, which I've actually claimed. Let me screenshot this because I'll be using it for my video that I'll be doing. So tomorrow we'll be expecting to hear the latest information from them about the swap and how the distribution we asked to actually go. I think this is actually a beautiful project. Let me see if you have actually followed me, you'll be able to see and do this particular project, and you can see that the coin is still going up. And the last information which I would like to share is that if you have any question or you have any issues, this is the form where you can actually report any complaint that you have to. I'll be dropping it in the description and also in the comment section of my particular video. So if you want to join my WhatsApp community, I'll be dropping the link in the description of this particular video. And also, don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so I get notified and I'll upload any other video. If you have referral, try as much as possible to this particular update right now. Thank you and God bless.